Now you're wondering, the Pluto X, what the heck is the Pluto X as it comes into focus back here? Doesn't look like much, looks like a circuit board, 4 motors, piece of plastic frame. Well, actually that's exactly what it is, but it's a little different than any other drone on the market. The Pluto X is a programmable drone, something we don't really have. It's designed for people who like to tinker with drones. So in other words, do you have a drone and you want it to do something that it doesn't do? Well, with the Pluto X, you can make this drone do all the things that the much more expensive drones do just by adding different features to it and playing with the code. Really playing with the code? Sure, it uses a Cygnus X programming language, and you can sit there on your laptop or computer, program away, or even your tablet, and get this thing to do a bunch of other things. Now, if you're not into programming, it's not a problem because depending on which kit you order, you can get all sorts of accessories that literally attach on in a modular fashion. So I can attach a camera to this, you know, if that's what I get. And the camera could be a 720p camera. I can attach proximity sensors onto this so that I can have this ping pong effect. All sorts of really cool things. There's lots of projects. Most kits come with like 10 projects or more. Depends on the kit you get. But you can do some pretty cool things. Totally programmable. Very nice board on here to do all sorts of things. If you have a teenager or a younger child and they're into tinkering with drones and you want to keep them busy, this is the product for them. Let me show you more. How about first off, I'm going to show you a quick unboxing. Here we go. And now a quick unboxing of the Pluto X Aerial Robotics Kit. Opening the box reveals the components inside. Now I don't know if this is how the final product is going to ship. Taking a nice close look at the included drone, you see right here there's a USB port. Over here we actually have nice little connectors that connect all the motors, so there must be an onboard ESC. Flight controller is probably right here. And there's the bottom. You can see there's even some connectors right here for other odds and sods as you wish. It has a computer printed, 3D printed frame. Attach the battery to this connector here. Speaking of the battery, included in the kit is a very nice 600 milliamp Tattoo LiPo battery. All right, let's take a quick look at all the contents of these bags. All right, the first bag you get this weird little pin, Drona Aviation. This is a prop removal tool. These would be spare motors, I would assume, or part of the project, so you can add more motors. This is a circuit board of types that you can do all sorts of things. You can see very many pins on it that I can solder things to. This looks to be like a safety pin in a piece of plastic. Not really sure. These bags I won't open. These are actually spare props and spare props. Next, this unit here appears to be a wireless camera. There's the camera in the front. And there's the antenna to send out the signal. You just need a receiver to receive it on. Connector cables all included. Next we have another circuit board, and it basically has a connector here. Looks like you could solder more devices here, something in between these. I'm not really sure. I guess I'll find out. And in the last bag we have what appears to be motors with wheels on them. Now, when I did the unboxing originally, it's when I first received this product, and I was like, what the heck are all these pieces in here? Because they didn't make sense to me. But after looking at the pieces for a while and reading the instructions, well, then it all made sense. Now, this next segment of video I'm going to show you is me when I first received this. I basically took it out of the box, plugged in the battery. The battery was already fully charged pretty much, and downloaded the app and flew it right out of the box, and this is how it flies. So there we are flying the Pluto X. Now, you really must be a programmer to get this to do it what you want, because right now I just have it in, this is out of the box mode, so it's, you know, it's like a normal drone. You could just fly it around your house, but you're really going to have to do some pretty cool programming effects to make it do the awesome stuff you want. Sure, you can fly it around and say, hey, let's go check out my house here. And I'm just flying it with the phone right here. Nothing exciting. All right, let's bring it back. So the Pluto X was not created by this massive corporation. It's actually created by a small group of individuals. And their desire is to put the Pluto X in as many hands as possible so people can modify it, change it up, and then share exactly what they did online so that other people can benefit from those designs or modifications. So behind me is the Indiegogo website. I'm going to put the link below. And on that website, you can either donate some money to these guys, or better than that, this is the one I would prefer, actually pre-order the Pluto X. Pick the kit you want and then pre-order it. The great thing is that if you pre-order it now, you get a massive discount, and you can get it in time for that special time of the year, Christmas, which you could give as a gift to somebody who would love to have this and they can play for hours and months tinkering away. So if you know somebody who's got a very inquisitive mind on technology, this is a great product for them. All right, so I'm going to put the link below once again. You go check it out. Everything's on that website. The prices are there, how much funding they've already raised, who they are. You can send them an email, ask questions, all that great stuff. So check it out and join the world of drone enthusiasts who like to do something different with their drones. So from the Pluto X and myself, I'd like to say thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.